Let's take one example on Zener diode. In the circuit shown below, determine VL, VR and IL. This is the given circuit where Zener diode is connected parallel to load resistor. We supposed to calculate voltage across resistor, that is VR, and here we have load resistor RL. Voltage across load resistor is VL, and we supposed to find the current through load resistor. So in this example, the given data are: here Vi input voltage is given, which is 20 volts. Load resistor RL value is given, that is 2 kilo ohm, and Zener voltage, that is Vz, is given, that is 12 volt. We know that here the load resistor RL is parallel to Zener diode. Therefore, voltage across load resistor, that is VL, is same as Vz. VL is equal to Vz, which is also equal to 12 volt. Let's apply KVL to this loop. KVL says that voltage Vi is equal to voltage drop across this plus voltage drop across this. That is apply KVL to the above circuit. We can write Vi is equal to voltage drop across resistor, that is VR, plus voltage drop across load resistor, that is VL. Now with the help of this formula we can find VR, that is Vi minus VL, which is equal to Vi value is given, that is 20, and VL value is nothing but Vz, that is 12. Therefore VR is equal to 8 volts. So now let's calculate the load current IL. We know that VL is equal to current through load resistor into load resistor, that is IL into RL. Therefore IL is equal to VL divided by RL, and we know that VL is 12 volts and RL value is 2 kilo ohm. Therefore which will be equal to 12 by 2 is 6, 1 by k is nothing but milli, that is milliamp. Therefore IL is equal to 6 milliamp. Thus we calculated VL, that is VL is equal to 12 volt, VR which is equal to 8 volt, and IL which is 6 milliamp. Thank you for watching.